Today, I'm gonna show you brand new security products. One would be Alibaba Cloud Threat Detection. I call this platform a whole day security operation platform. In a MNC or a group or an enterprise, they always have an NOC, maybe they call it Network Security Operation Center, to control all the IT infrastructure and network issues. And they may have their own SOC, we call it Security Operation Center, to to handle their security issues. If there's any DDoS attack or web attacks, it's going to their networks. So they're gonna take a lot of efforts on the monitoring and daily operations on their security products or their network devices. So today I'm gonna introduce a whole new product we call threat detection, which is mainly focused on the security part of operations. So this is a really good platform to introduce to your guys and your customers. Okay, first I want to introduce how is SOC workings every single day. You can check on this page in Slash, and even one SOC engineer, what is the routine for them for every single day was monitoring, vulnerability management, report, configuration checking, incident response, and auditing. So all these kind of jobs and works need to be done by SOC and report to the SOC manager or CSO. So they're gonna know what is the security situation today, and after today they will have any attacks, any potential attacks, so on and so forth. So for security part of working on SOC is really, really important because security is a thing that every enterprise was taking care of it. So I think this product can help them to improve their platform, especially they are using Alibaba Cloud security products and the platform. Okay, from the management point of view, what they are thinking of their security situation. The first one maybe is to say that how to monitor the security issues for my cloud resources. And do I have the security expertise to handle security events? Is there any way to know the security vulnerabilities? How do I write a report for my cloud resource and report to the senior management? This is the thing of SOC manager will taking care of it because they will know what is going on their enterprise networks, what is the security situation so far, and if they're gonna have any attacks, any security related events or risks, what what kind of thing they need to report to the senior management and get them to notice on that and pay attention. So right now, this is very important. So from the first part of this product, we have a dashboard to monitoring what is the today's events. There's any changes with issues like yesterday? Is any vulnerabilities pump up recent days? And if any issues, I need to patch those different platform vulnerabilities. So next one was the baseline risks that's happening on our platform, and they will also notice you that is any access your cloud resource is not being protected or not. So this is overview to show that if your security situation is under control or this really having problem, there is warning here. Okay. The next one was the vulnerability management. This one was really important because right now a lot of customers was using cloud resources. They have a lot of servers on the cloud. They need to have a tool to manage these kind of servers to see if there's any vulnerabilities to power up. We need to patch and to know what kind of vulnerability needs not to end this day. So you will see that from server vulnerability, we provide three type of it. One is Linux, the other was the Windows, and also web CMS. From this page, you can see that from every vulnerability list, for example, CVE 2008 and blah blah blah, is any access will be impact, and have you this doing the patch on that? They will have a list to show that. So from this page, you will know that if their system healthy or need to do some operation routines work to fix those vulnerabilities. And next one, from this vulnerability management, you can choose whether you want to say you want to see Linux, Windows, or CMS vulnerabilities, or some emergency vulnerabilities. Is any zero-day attacks will coming up within days? You can choose that on the settings. I just gave you some suggestion that I just suggest everyone choose everyone from here to just promote on your page on your dashboard. Next one was the configuration baseline checking. This is what I just gave you some example, like maybe you have some weak password risks on your Linux system and servers, and maybe you have CentOS 7 system baselining risks on your platform. You can set on your own the policies. For example, the first one, the CESHI, we just calling test. Is checking what? It's checking Linux weak passwords. Is there any access having this risks here? You can just keep this number one and see what kind of resources having this problem and fix that. Okay, let's say you just give a policy like previous one was text one. You have a different type of vulnerability and baselinings checking can be choose, like the group policy, baselining policy, system file changes, and so on and so forth. A lot of them. I just don't show all of them. So you can make your own policy to do the baseline checking here. And next one was the notification. Notification is three part of it. One is the vulnerabilities. The other one was baseline checking and events. It also can be sent through email. This email is our Alibaba Cloud email set. So you can get the notification from different severities of vulnerabilities through the email. Next one was the access footprint. This is what you can check different type of thing that you want to do on the servers, like the process, the accounts, how many accounts on the system, on the servers, and who are they, and how many listening ports, and what kind of software is installed on your servers, and also there's any backdoor here or not. So you can see from here, and for example, on the listener parts, we can search on this server, this open 22, 80, 81, 00, and so on and so forth. So this function was really good because they can check all kind of system administrators things on your operation team. So I think it's really useful for clients to understand more on their security situation on their servers. So last one was the loss ratio features here. This add value service. That means you need to pay on that. So what kind of thing they need, it can be done with the log access. That can be done operation audit and web business statistics to help you to understand more on your service logs, and it can be download from the console also. So and this is a full SaaS-based log retrieval platform, and this is a free industrial and many free and ready to use, and support logic, and also support data combination of five dimensions, and search engine for second order results. And also it can be taken care of your RDS and OSS accounts, and also the logs, what kind of person is logging on your RDS, and what kind of things he's doing on what time. So that means it's really helpful software to handle those audit things on the operation team. And talking about available locations, so far we have the analysis engine in mainland China, and the other one was Malaysia. So that means if your customers purchase the ECS on the south of Asia, the cloud resource can be purchased on the other cloud was in the mainland China, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Singapore and Indonesia. So far, we don't have any analysis engine on Europe or on United States. Is not ready so far. So the client was using their cloud resources within Southeast China or Hong Kong or mainland China, can use these tools to handle their security operations. Our target customers, I think these four type of that. One is enterprise. Maybe they may also have their SOC already. Then, if they use our Alibaba cloud resources, they can use this product to do the operations, especially for security oriented. The other one was online business and a gaming industry, and also government. So I can say that this product is really focused on the operations and instant response handling. So I think every client that we're using our cloud resources, especially using our ECS, they have this kind of potential to do these things on our products. So I think our BD is focused on our cloud platform and also security products. This product and software to help them to regroup their security solutions already. So here also we have a comparison here. So I give two type of competitor. One is AWS, and the other one was Azure. Their product was Security Center and Guard Duty. So far, we have more functions and features than they giving so far. So I can say that we have this kind of advantage to beat them if their customers want to using the cloud resources, but they're seeking a lot of help on their security operations oriented things, then they can choose our Alibaba Cloud Threat Detection platform. And right now we just giving two type of version of that. One is basic, the other one was enterprise. The basic one was really free on the platform already, can be used so far. So I think our SA and BDs can let the customer to try the free version. But now enterprise version have 7 days free trial right now. So it's really good time to let the customer to try our product so far. And also talking about price, right now was 42 US dollars per month, and there's a limitation on if their ECS is more than 15 and more can be this price can be selling to the customers. So the one more thing I want to emphasize that uh, this product is counted by ECS. If the, for example, if the customer is using 100 ECS so far, so the price for the threat detection for them was the 42 times 100 to be purchased. So I really suggest to our SAN BDs to try these products, and this is a key product so far to issue to the international market. Okay, this is the threat detection training.